Enough to do with kids and pets and projects and visitors and everything else, so why not worry about one less thing? The Bissell CleanView vacuum with one pass makes cleaning fast and simple. Powerful suction and an innovative brush roll get that dirt the first time with one clean pass. And the CleanView dirt bin shows you the proof. The CleanView is lightweight and easy to carry, and so maneuverable, you can get to all those hard-to-reach messes. And the CleanView vacuum has other convenient features that make it even more effective, like built-in premium hose attachments for quick and handy cleaning anywhere. And cleanup is easy. The bottom empty dirt cup is built big, so you don't need to empty it every 10 seconds. You can manage cleaning on your own time with the washable pre-motor filter. Just follow simple directions to keep it clean to maximize performance and save you money. Bissell CleanView with one pass. You're in, you're out, you're clean, you're done.
Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 Vacuum. Unrivaled Dyson suction. Turns on a dime.